Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am looking at day 10 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So today is day 10. So we will see how this one goes. It seems to be going pretty well. So in box number 10 is, whoa, very bling, diamond painting stickers. So as usual, I will move this so I can tilt it up and get my fingers into the box with great difficulty. And I got it. So this is what we have. Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, diamond painting stickers. On the sides of the box, Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle, little sleighs with presents in them, both sides. And on the back, diamond painting sticker kit contents, sticker times 6 superior quality diamonds. Toolkit not included because we don't need it. We have already got toolkits from some of the previous gifts. So quick, easy and fun, and that is pretty much it. Again, warning, choking hazard, keep out of the reach of small kids just in case they think the drills are candy. So we'll open it up, scissors again. And see what we have. So we have stickers and very shiny. We have drills. So resealable bag. Open it up. We will look at the drills first, I think. So the drills come in the bag with the glue strip, pretty standard. Open this up. Take the drills out. Now we can have a look at them. Now these are not standard diamond painting drills, they are quite a bit bigger. So they are stamped from A to I. So these ones look pretty standard, solid black, but then we get onto the what we call iridescent drills, but they are larger than the standard diamond painting drills. So they have a silver backing and the drills are actually see-through, so the light goes through the drill, hits the silver and bounces back, so it makes them really, really sparkly. So we have silver, red, gold, amber, green, sort of very faint yellow, and a nice blue. So these are the different colours that we have. Now we'll have a look at the cards. So the first one we have is a Christmas bauble. I had it upside down. So we have a Christmas bauble, and we have a polar bear with a scarf and a woolly hat. So they have the numbers on them. So they are very different. As you tilt them in the light, you can see they change colour. So that is the first one. The next one, excuse me, is a gingerbread man and a candle. And then we have a penguin with a Santa hat and a scarf. And we have a festive mug. So those are the stickers. Very different. Again, I would say these were aimed at kids. Something fun, bright, shiny, and they don't take too long to do. They don't have a lot of drills. You don't have to line them up absolutely perfectly. So kids could have a bit of fun with these and do the stickers and put them wherever they want, basically. So another little something different from Diamond Art Club. 6 diamond painting stickers. So day 10 was a set of 6 diamond painting stickers. I'm really enjoying the way they have mixed all these different things in the advent calendar. We have stuff for young kids and we have stuff for kids that are a little bit older, and we have stuff for adults as well. A really nice mixture, a lot of fun stuff. So these were very bright, sparkly stickers that would obviously appeal to the younger kids. Very simple designs, need very few drills placed, perfect for young kids to try diamond painting. So that was day number 10. Next, day number 11, we're getting close to the end. So please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you will get a little message when day 11 appears. So that's it for today. In the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.